Hello everyone, testing out a recent train show purchase here. Made a trip out into Ohio for a pretty big show near Cleveland and picked up a few locomotives. This is the first one here. We have a United Pacific Fast Mail Pennsylvania Railroad K4. Now, this is only my second brass K4, and for the price, I really couldn't say no. So this one was painted. And the paint job is half decent. It's not perfect. It's not bad either. Got some pinstriping on the tender there. Now, I didn't see it at the time, but the price tag had a little bit of writing under the price. And it said, does not run. Well, it didn't take me long to figure out why it didn't run. It was missing the drawbar. Well, I dug through the box. Happened to have an old one. See, it runs pretty smooth. All I did was put the drawbar on. The wiring from the motor was still there with the nut. It's making a little noise, but I think this has spent a lot of life in the box. I did oil up the motor and the gearbox and the drivers. This is an older motor that has the felt wicks on them, so you can just kind of fill them up with oil and then it distributes it evenly. I'm pretty happy with it for just having to put a drawbar on it. I think it'll be a nice addition to the railroad, and I don't have to paint it. That's about it.